Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your account rank, and any event unlocks. Once done, gather the essential tools, specific brushes, palettes, and any 1/2xp boosters you need because they speed progression. Next, opt into event mode and enable challenge tracking so your progress registers. Make sure your internet is stable and your account is synced. Otherwise, tasks may not count. Doing these steps first prevents wasted play and lets you dive straight into the badge tasks with full efficiency. You now focus on the core progression loop. Prioritize required tasks such as timed paintings, community vote challenges, and accuracy quotas because they yield the most badge progress. Once you know the targets, use boosters during high-yield tasks and double XP windows to multiply returns. Record your attempts and review the replay to spot composition or timing errors. Fix them on the next run. Make sure to alternate tasks to avoid fatigue and to keep your performance consistent across different challenge types for steady advancement. You wrap up by completing the final checklist. Submit all required pieces, claim any pending rewards, and confirm the badge in your profile. If progress stalls or a task won't register, relog immediately, clear cache, and relink your account. These quick fixes solve most sync issues. Once done, repeat the critical task during a fresh session. If problems persist, reach out to the community for the top-run strategies and emulate a successful run. This often reveals the small timing or composition tweaks you missed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.